Good afternoon, one and all. Respected teachers from various colleges of the nation associated with us through this online platform. Dr. Pitambar Humne, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Dharampet Empidev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Maharashtra State, who is coordinator for this 2 days national workshop for the students of life sciences, who is also the founder member of Botany for You, which is an online platform for the students of life sciences, and the founder members of this platform, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Senior Scientist, Biomolecular Analysis Facility, School of Medicines, University of Virginia, Medical Charlesville, Virginia, United States. Dr. Nitin Labhani, Associate Professor, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai. Dr. Tushar Wankhede, Associate Professor, Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. Dr. Deepak Koche, Associate Professor, Shri Shivaji Science of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra State, and my dear student participants in this lecture series. On behalf of Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences, and Conservation Research and Nature Education Society, Cranes, Gadchiroli, I, Dr. Amit Setia, Biodiversity and Conservation Program Manager. Cranes is an NGO for biodiversity conservation and sustainable livelihood generation working in Gadchiroli district, Maharashtra state, India, takes this opportunity to propose this vote of thanks on the occasion of first day of technical sessions of 2 days national workshop for the students of life sciences scheduled on 25th and 26th of June 2020 through an online platform, Botany for You. In today's session, we have tried to provide 4 lectures from renowned personalities working in the life sciences in different sectors, and it's an honor for me to be here with you on this occasion. I hope you have all enjoyed the lectures organized in today's technical session. For organization of such type of event, there is need of continuous efforts and planning with equal support from teachers and guest speakers. I feel in every program we should be grateful to each and everyone behind the success of each endeavor. Hence, I take this opportunity to pay my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Siddesh Savartekar, Sir, IFS, Deputy Conservator of Forest, Bhamragad, Gadchiroli district, for his keen efforts, support and cooperation in the form of his wonderful and informative lecture on career opportunities in Indian Forest Services. I am also equally thankful to Mr. Dinesh L. Shirodkar Sir, Botanist in Botanical Survey of India, BSI, Western Regional Center, Pune, for his interesting lecture on career opportunities in Botanical Survey of India. I also express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Nitin Labhane Sir, Associate Professor in Botany, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, and the founder member of Botany for You, for his excellent lecture on various examination, its pattern and requirement to study abroad. I also extend our most sincere thanks to Dr. Shilanand Hibrale, Assistant Professor in Botany, Vinayak Vignan Mahavidyalaya, Nandgaon Khandeshwar, District Amravati, for his erudite lecture on tricks to crack CSIR UGC NET in life sciences. I also extend my deep sense of gratitude to founder member of this online platform, Dr. Nishikant Vase Sir, Dr. Nitin Labhane Sir, Dr. Tushar Wankhede Sir, Dr. Deepak Koche Sir, for their support, cooperation and active participation in organization of every program. Friends, it is really a matter of great pride for me to share this online platform with you with various dynamics and renowned personalities because of diligent personality Dr. Pitambar Humne Sir, founder of this Botany for You, for his extraordinary efforts to create his online platform for the students of life sciences. I am also very much thankful to you, sir, for your efforts for Botany for You to help the students in academics, career and personality development. Thanks a lot, sir. Friends, it would not be fair if I failed to recognize the contribution of teachers all over the nation who supported us in organization of this platform, as well as for active participation in forwarding the links to every program to their students. Thank you very much, you all, respected teacher in life sciences. And lastly, the program is grand success only because of our student participants from various colleges from different states of India for the overwhelming response in this lecture series. Thank you very much all for your kind participation, cooperation and support. Thank a lot once again. Thank you.